Hello everyone, how are you all? I know you all must be bored because of the quarantine. Therefore, I am here to add some informative practices into your boring, mundane schedules. Today's session is on the topic data visualization. It is from Unit 1. Our agenda for the session is what is data visualization? Why we use data visualization? What is Matplotlib? The types of chart. In this session, I will be covering line chart and scatter chart. And finally, hands-on. First, what is data visualization? Data visualization is the act of representation of data and information in the form of chart, diagram, picture, or graph, that is, representing it in the pictorial form, representing it in the well understandable form. Then, why we require data visualization? Why we need to represent the information in the form of a chart? It's because graphical format helps us to study the data in a better way. We could interpret and analyze the data quicker when it is in the graphical form rather than in the text form. Here is a small example. There are two images. First one is of a data set regarding the sales of a company per month. The second image is the graph of the same data set. Now, if I ask you a question in which month the sales was the maximum, then you will take time to answer if I will provide you with the textual data only. But with the help of a second image, the graphical one, you can instantly recognize the highest peak in the month of July, and so will be the sales. Now, what is Matplotlib? Matplotlib is a library of Python that is used for creating 2D graphs, and within its submodule is PyPlot, which we will be using for plotting the graphs. Now let us see how we can install Matplotlib on our system. Matplot library, we will use pip command. For using this pip command, we will go to command prompt and see the desktop here. We'll go to the command prompt, click here. See, this is my command prompt. We'll go to the root directory. To go to the root directory, we will type the command cd dot dot. cd is for change directory. It will take you to the parent directory. Again cd dot dot. This is the root directory. Here I'll write pip install and the library name, that is matplotlib. Now see here, it is collecting the data and downloading this particular library. This is the process of installing Matplot library. Yes, now the library is already installed. We'll go back to the Python editor. For closing this, we'll type the command exit. Right here, Python. I'm using here 3.7 Python editor. Now let us check whether the library has installed successfully or not. We'll write here import matplotlib and then press enter. There is no error, it means the library has installed successfully. There are a number of options available in the Python to visualize data like bar graph, histograms, scatter plot, pie plot, hexagonal bin plot, area plot. We use these graphs depending upon the requirement of data, whether the data is quantitative or continuous, depending upon our requirement. this session, we will be covering the line chart and the scatter chart. The first is a line chart. It is the most basic type of chart which displays information as a series of data points called markers. These markers are connected by straight line segments. This type of chart is mostly used for showing changes over time. We can create the line chart using plot method of pyplot. Scatter chart. In the scatter chart, instead of drawing lines, we show only the data points. No line segments are there. We can use this. We can create this graph using scatter method of pyplot. Now, it's my favorite part, that is the hands-on. Let us see this video to learn how to implement what we have learned so far. Let us open the Python editor for writing the program. We'll work in the script mode. Let us import the library first. For importing library, we'll write the command import matplotlib, and we will import some module pyplot. As PLT, it is a alias name for the library. You can give any name instead of this. And in simple 3 commands, we will generate a line graph. Let us take X as one data set for x-axis. For y-axis, another data set. We have taken here odd and even numbers. Now the command plt.plot will plot a line graph between these two data sets. plt.show command, it is used to generate and show you the line graph. We'll save this file and then run. We are able to see the graph here, the blue line graph. You can see the various plotting of points. This is a button for configuring your graph. You can adjust the viewing of this graph, appearance of this graph by doing various settings as per your requirement. And this is the most important button to save this graph for your practical file. Now we will add title to our graph. For this, we have plt.title, in which you can mention the title of the graph as information analysis. We can give labels to x-axis and y-axis using x label and y label. So we have given x-axis and y label as y-axis. Now run this code and see the difference. See here, we have the title, the y-axis label and the x-axis label. And one more thing I wanted to show you here, that the minimum value for x is 2 and maximum is 10 here, as we have given in the data. For y-axis, the minimum value is 1 and maximum is 9. It is automatically defined as per your data. If you want to change the scale of the graph, you can give the command plt.axle, in which in the form of a list you can mention the scale for x-axis and y-axis. For y-axis, we have taken 0 to 20. Now again, we'll see the graph. The scale has been changed. For x-axis, you have 0 to 10. For y-axis, you have 0 to 20. Now let us add some style to a graph. In the plot command itself, we'll add color. For red, it is R. For green, G. For blue, B. It is almost the first character of the colors. We have changed the line width and the line style. In the line style, you can mention 4 values: dotted, dashed, dash dotted, solid. And you can see the graph has been generated with the attributes you have mentioned in the plot command. Now we'll see how we can plot multiple lines in the same graph. We have defined another data set Z here. We'll copy this, paste, we'll change the data values, change the color. See here, we have got 2 lines. We can add multiple lines, we can add one more line if you want. This is the 2 lines we have generated. Now let us add one more. This is between X and Z. Run this. Yes, you will be able to see 3 lines. Let us change the color now. Make it green. Yeah, you are able to see all the 3 lines in 3 colors. This is how you will generate the line graph. Now, we'll add legends in the graph. For adding legends, you have to define the label for all the 3 lines. So label for line is, first line is line 1, line 2, and for the third line it is line 3. And we need to add the command plg.legend to display the legends. You're able to see these 3 legends. Red line, line 1, line 2 and line 3. Now we will see to plot a scatter chart. For the scatter chart, you will not use line graph. Instead, we only plot the points using the scatter method. For generating line, we use plot. For generating scatter graph, we use scatter method. We can see here only the points. There is no line joining these points. We can change the color of these markers. Let the markers color is red. Yes, this is how we are able to generate the scatter graph. Here is a little exercise for you guys. Note down both the questions and try them. Do let me know whether you were able to create it or not in the comment section below. That's all for the session. The rest of the charts will be coming up in the next session. Take care everyone. Goodbye.